After cutting vegetable and fruits and a lot of work in kitchen, nails become very dirty. Today I am going to show you a easy way to wash and clean your nails in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Please subscribe my Alivia nail art channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new nail art designs. Take a lemon, cut it and take the half piece. Take a bowl and squeeze the lemon. Then give some warm water. Put your dirty nails to the bowl and wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see the changes. The nails become clean. Then take a brush and clean it up. Look, the changes you can feel. Take a brush and paste and brush the nails properly. The toothpaste is the best way to clean your nails. Every day I use the trick to clean my nails. Wash your hands in the lemon water, then your nails become clean. Wash your hands in the cold water. So this is the tricks which can you do every day. Lemon is the best way to clean your nails. You can see the difference before and after. If you like it, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.